Hello everybody, I am Abhijit Prada and welcome to my channel Developers Ahead. Today I am going to present you a nice application made using Python. I just started learning Python, so I want to show you a nice and cool application using Python. I named it Genious, and I will give some commands to that application and it will give the response according to the questions. So let's start.
Good morning. I am Genius, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Tell me the time.
2 hours and 2 seconds.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is.
What's your name?
My name is Genius.
Who made you?
My boss Abhijit made me.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Genius made by Mr. Abhijit Parada. Programming language used Python. Google API used.
Tell me about your creator.
I made by Mr. Abhijit Parada. Software developer at Knowledge Ops Software Solution Private Limited. I love him.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine. Tell me about you.
I'm fine.
That's cool.
Open Chrome. Open YouTube. Open Outlook. Open Visual Studio. Salman Khan according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia.
Salman Khan according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia.
Genius got some error actually. I'm going to start again. Shahrukh Khan according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia. Shah Rukh Khan, born November 2, 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality. Referred to in the media as the Badshah of Bollywood, King of Bollywood and King Khan, he has appeared in more than 80 Bollywood films, and earned numerous accolades, including 14 Filmfare Awards.
Send a mail to Newton. Send a mail to Newton. Send email to Newton. Send email to Newton.
What should I say?
Genius is a nice application. Everyone should use that. I will share the link and you have to install it as my friend.
Email has been sent.
Oh, it's my friend instead of it's written is my friend. It's okay. But we'll check the mail has came yet or not. Yes, I got a mail. I just said initially I just had two email IDs sent from email ID and two email ID. So I got this mail in my mail address. You can send if you want to send in another mail address. Guys, if you really like it, comment me in my below my videos. I'll make another video to learn this application, how I made it and how I code it. But for now, I wanna show you some another features of this application. Let's go there. I love you, Genius.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Welcome, it's my pleasure. By the way, it's my duty.
You are so cute.
Oh. Please say again.
I kill you. It was just a fun. Just I was kidding with that application. I just downloaded some voice clips and I played according to my commands, and you can also do that. Guys, it's really a cool app. It's not that much of code I written here. Only 159 lines of code I written to make this application. You know, Python is a really cool language. It's easy to learn and you also can learn easily and make application like this, and also more like advanced application you can do with the Python. If you really want to make application like this, please do comment in my comment box and I'll make another video to learn this. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Oh, that also have to speak, Genius. Tell to subscribe my channel.
If you really like this video, please subscribe this channel and like the videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
So it's the end of this video. I just wanted that Genius should have to speak about like my video. So she tried and she said also. So guys, please hit the bell icon and hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Thank you.